Rock chip? We can fix that. First clean. Use pin to take out the loose chips. Put on sticky plate. Remove backing side. Place pedestal. Add 3/4 of resin. Add syringe. Pull up. Leave for at least 10 minutes. Check those bubbles. Remove to let air in. Place back and push in syringe. Leave for at least 20 minutes now. Remove. Take off pedestal. So much resin left over. Last of resin. Leave for at least 1 hour in sun or overnight. Use razor to take off excess. Be careful with sharp blade. Can barely see it anymore. Usually leaves a small spot.